Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical induction cooktop, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from for induction cooktop, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a perfect decision. I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best induction cooktop from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Duxtop 1800 Watt Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner. The Duxtop 1800 Watt Portable Induction Cooktop is a powerful and compact kitchen tool that provides an efficient cooking experience. With 10 temperature settings ranging from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit and 10 power levels from 200 to 1,800 watts, it offers precise control for all your cooking needs. The built-in countdown timer is up to 170 minutes, and auto pan detection makes cooking even easier, automatically shutting off the unit if no compatible cookware is detected. The sleek gold design and digital control panel add a modern touch to your kitchen, while the glass cooktop ensures easy cleaning after use. This induction cooktop uses a 120-volt electrical outlet, making it perfect for home use or on-the-go cooking. It's lightweight and portable, ideal for small spaces, RVs, or traveling. Make cooking more convenient, efficient, and mess-free with the Duxtop Induction Cooktop. Number 2. CHANGBERT Induction Cooktop Commercial Grade Portable Cooker. The CHANGBERT Induction Cooktop Commercial Grade Portable Cooker is a high-efficiency cooking solution perfect for both home and professional kitchens. With 10 power levels, 200 to 1,800 watt, and 11 temperature settings, 120 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, this induction burner offers fast, energy-efficient cooking, heating up 83% faster than traditional methods. Its large cooking area ensures even heat distribution for consistent results. Designed for heavy-duty use, it is NSF certified and UL commercial standard approved, making it ideal for restaurants, industrial kitchens, and catering services. This cooktop features multiple safety protections, including auto pan detection, overheat protection, and auto chenade, minimizing the risk of burns or accidents. Its stainless steel housing is durable and can withstand up to 100 wastes of weight. With easy controls, a 10-hour timer, and a simple-to-clean design, this portable induction cooker is perfect for home kitchens, dorms, RVs, or outdoor cooking. It also includes a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 3. Nuwave PIC Double Powerful 1800 Watt Portable Induction. The Nuwave PIC Double Powerful 1800 Watt Portable Induction Cooktop combines precision and power, making it an ideal cooking companion for any kitchen. With 2 independent cooking surfaces, this unit offers flexibility by allowing you to cook 2 dishes simultaneously, each with its own control panel. Featuring 96 pre-programmed temperature settings, you can fine-tune your cooking from 100 to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degree Fahrenheit increments. The precise temperature control ensures you can cook everything from delicate sauces to perfectly grilled steaks. Built with shatterproof ceramic glass, the cooktop is durable and safe, with no open flames or hot coils to reduce burn and fire risk. It also heats faster and more efficiently than traditional stovetops, transferring 85 to 90% of its energy directly to the cookware. With its slim design, safety features, and powerful performance, the Nuwave PIC Double Induction Cooktop is a game-changer in the kitchen. Number 4. The Mueller Rapid 1800 Watt Therm Portable Induction Cooktop. The Mueller Rapid 1800 Watt Therm Portable Induction Cooktop is a powerful and efficient cooking solution designed for versatility and convenience. With 1,800 watts of cooking power, this cooktop heats food 50% faster than traditional gas or electric stovetops. Perfect for small spaces like RVs, apartments, or extra cooking stations, it features a lightweight, portable design that's easy to store and use. The digital control panel allows you to choose from 4 preset programs: hot pot, slow cook, boil, and keep warm, or adjust the 8 temperature levels from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit with a 4-hour digital timer for precise cooking. The cooktop is equipped with safety features like auto pan detection, which turns off the unit if no cookware is detected, and a pause function to temporarily stop cooking. Its energy-economic induction technology ensures even heat distribution, making cooking faster and safer. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply wipe the surface with a damp cloth. Number 5. Cuisinart ICT60 Double Induction Cooktop. The Cuisinart ICT60 Double Induction Cooktop offers fast, efficient cooking with advanced induction technology, making it perfect for busy kitchens. With dual burners, this cooktop features 8 heat settings on the left burner and 5 on the right, allowing you to customize your cooking for various dishes. The induction technology ensures quick heat up and even heat distribution, providing consistent cooking results. The cooktop also comes with individual 150-minute timers and on or off switches for each burner, offering more control over your cooking. It automatically turns off 30 seconds after the pot or pan is removed, enhancing safety and energy efficiency. This sleek, black cooktop is designed with glass material, offering a stylish and durable cooking surface. Perfect for any kitchen, the Cuisinart ICT60 is a great option for those who want precision and speed in their cooking, whether you're preparing a quick meal or a gourmet feast. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.